So these are genome assemblies, and there are 4 of them. So these are Salmonella genome assemblies. So visit this page. The link to this page is also in the description box. So when you are here, click the file, and then you'll be sent to this page. So when you are here, come to the right side to download. Click on this download raw file button here, and it will be downloaded. Because I'm working on a terminal, I will get a download link. So what I'll do is to copy. So I'll say copy raw file. So I'll just copy it. Alternatively, you can just right click the raw and then also do the copy link. It's the same thing here. So once you are done, you can download. So let's go to the terminal. So on the terminal, what I'll do is to create a working directory. So I'll say make the Busco projects, and then I'll cd into it. After that, I will download the example data. So I'll use wget. I'll say wget, and then I'll supply it with the link. So this is it. So I'll execute this command. Okay, so the zip file has been downloaded. So let's take a look at it. Let's do an ls, and we are going to find it's here. So we are now going to unzip it. So I'll say unzip genome assemblies. So if I do an ls, I'm going to find my file. So I have 4 FASTA files, and I also have this one here, this tst. So the tst file here gives description. So I'll say cat file info.txt. So this gives you the genome assemblies, the isolates, the data. So for each of these files, we have 2 links that you can use to get more information about that particular data. So that is what this tells us. So that's it.